Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Adrian Zumbado, and this is going to be a very simple, quick video. I'm going to show you how to install the GotBackup app. As you can see, it's an app that can back up your files from your phone or any computer as well. And it's this. You can see, you can check it out. You have all your footage, videos and photos right in the cloud. And the cool thing about this is you can also share video. So if, let's say I want to share this video right here, right? Let's check it out. So I wanted to share this video here. We're gonna go to share, get shareable link, and then you can see we have line of expiration. So if I want that to expire by a certain time, it'll be done then. You know, if I want to require a password for people to see it, I can do that. And if you want to allow people to edit with it or allow only download, and you put it there and you share it. You get ready to share it right here, right? Create. Then create it. And right there, you can copy the link and share with anybody. But let me show you guys how to download the app. Pay attention.
Hey everybody! This is a quick walkthrough of how to install your GotBackup app onto your mobile device. In this case, I'm using the Android Galaxy, but the process is the same also on an iPhone. So to download your app, there's two ways to do this. You can either come to the Play Store. On an iPhone, it's called just the App Store, and just search for GotBackup. And there it is. Or we could come to our members area and go to use this tool, and then you will see it here on your dashboard. So again, I'm using my Android device. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and it's going to take me to my Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, it will take you to your App Store on your iPhone device. So I'm going to go ahead and install that. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's going to ask you to log into your account. Go ahead and allow all your notifications so it could let you know that everything's being uploaded properly, and go ahead and put in your unique ID. Once logged in, you will be asked to let GotBackup access your photos and videos on your mobile device. Select Allow. Without having to do anything, an Android upload folder was automatically created for me. Neat! If you are on an iPhone, the folder will be called iPhone Upload. Now, depending on how many photos and videos is on your device, your first backup might take some time. So it is highly recommended that your device is on a charger and is connected to Wi-Fi. It is a good idea to start your first backup in the evening and keep your GotBackup app open and let it back up overnight. One more thing I'd like to point out. If I tap on these three little lines on the top left corner and tap on Settings, you will see these three boxes under Monitor are automatically checked. Auto Upload will automatically upload all future photos and videos taken on your device to your GotBackup cloud. Camera Roll Upload will back up all existing photos and videos that are stored on your device to your GotBackup cloud. And Upload Only on Wi-Fi will only back up your data while connected to Wi-Fi. If you have an unlimited data plan, you can uncheck this. So if I come to my gallery, I'm going to have a slew of pictures from over the years. This is actually Joel's phone, so if I come to my albums, I have almost 1,400 pictures. Alright, so if I come to my app, come back to my menu and click Transfers, you're going to see all my pictures now are uploading. Since this might be a large upload at first and I have a low battery, it's highly recommended that you plug into a power source. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, now that's finished. We can now see that our Android upload has all been categorized by what year these photos were taken. These were taken in 2021. And this was just recently. So that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward.
So yeah, that's how simple it is. Go download the app so you can have all your files backed up in case you lose your phone, you break your phone, or anything happens to it. At least you don't lose your memories. You have them ready, backed up in the cloud, and you can always download them again, preview them through your computer, any form. But if you're interested please go to my website, smartphonemoney.biz. It's going to explain to you a little bit how it works if you're interested in the business. But if you just care to have the app for the service, just go down here where it says GotBackup, and that will take you to this website so you can sign up for the membership. All right, guys, Adrian Zumbado, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Once again, go to my website, smartphonemoney.biz. Peace.